Wow, how to make money online and travel. The two things that I love the most. I love to travel and I love to make money online. If you follow my TikTok, you see China, Prague. I posted some of those, some of my trips. That is nice. If you can travel and make money, hey, why not? And the best way to do that is with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, if you don't know, is basically you're promoting other people's products. It could be from anywhere, but they'll give you a unique link. Then from that link, you can promote it. You can promote it on social media. Like you can start a YouTube channel. You can promote it, do an email list. You can, then once you get somebody clicks on it, you get a commission. It sounds easy, and you'll see a lot of videos that tell you, hey, you can make $200, $500, $1,000 a day. Listen, it's not difficult, but don't buy into all that BS. It takes a little time, and it takes a little bit of skill. Not much. You ain't got to be a super whiz at a computer. You just need a little bit of patience. And I would highly recommend getting an advisor and a mentor, because it's going to supercharge your learning process and get you to where you're making money faster. And that's the key, is making money faster. Because if you're one of those guys or gals that's punching a clock, you have no time freedom, then, you know, you got that time suck on your back. Hey, it's time to get rid of it. And guess what? We can help you. No problem. All you got to do is click the link in the description and we can get started today. But if you decide to go the Long Ranger, you're going to get frustrated, get upset, and you'll probably quit. Don't be a quitter. Click the link in the bio. Let's get started. Because once you do get started, hey, you can travel and you can do this. You can do this anywhere. You can do it from the beach. You can do it from your living room. You can do it anywhere you want. From an RV, if you like camping and you drag around an RV, as long as you got Wi-Fi, hey, you can do it. And if you got a cell phone, you can turn it into a hotspot, and you can do it that way too. If you want to do a little bit while you're on the road, there's nothing better than getting all this stuff set up and be able to go on a trip, and it's making money while you travel. You know, it's nothing better than to look at your email saying commission. There's nothing sweeter, because you put the time in, you got the education, and why not? Bam, you got it. But you got to be willing to put a little work in, and affiliate marketing is a great way to start. I said, just think, you don't have to borrow money. Go in debt for college loan. You don't have to step foot in a cubicle farm. And hey, you can be your own boss. You don't have that time suck sitting on your back punching a clock every day. And you can get your financial freedom back on track too. So hey, why not? What have you got to lose? Absolutely nothing. There's no reason to hesitate. It's a perfect time to get started, because you're going to get an advisor and a mentor, the training. You're going to learn how to build funnels. You're going to learn how to build your campaign, your email list, do it all. We're going to show you how to do all your ads on Facebook, Twitter, all of them. There's no stone unturned that we're not going to go for you. Just think, all this information that guys and gals have been doing this for years, 10 plus years, some of them a little less, but they're all multimillionaires. They know the ins and outs. You're not going to sit there and scratch your head and say, what do I do now? Does this work? Does that work? No. They've already went through the trial and error. They done all the A/B testing for you. So all you got to do is listen and follow, and it's just that easy. It's not cut and paste. You're going to have to learn it, but you're going to learn it the right way. Nobody's going to give you a funnel and say, here you go. Because when they do that, if they're doing that, if you're taking, say, another course, or you're watching somebody else and they say, hey, take this and go put this in there. Here's my done for you funnel. Well, the only one making money is that person that you got to funnel, not you. Because more than likely, it's probably not going to work as good for you as it did for them, if it even worked at all. So take that in mind. Anybody can show you anything, doesn't mean it's true. But once you learn the skills, it's your skills. Nobody can take that away from you. Build a business. Turn it into an LLC. Then take what you know. Then once you do that, you can promote any product. Doesn't matter. It could be anything. It could be something that you like already. It could be woodworking. It could be, if you're into health and fitness, it could be that. It could, it's endless on what you can promote, and you can promote whatever you like. Doesn't matter, because that's the best way to do it. If you know something about it, promote it. If not, pick something else. It just depends. If you want to learn how to make money online, hey, that's a good one. That's my favorite, because I can do it from anywhere. You don't need a lot of equipment. Maybe a little camera, maybe your phone, a laptop is easier than, say, a tablet, but that's all you need. And some good internet, boom, you're in business. But just remember, if we can help you, if you think, or maybe you're already taking a course, but maybe they're not teaching you how to promote other stuff. They're just giving you a funnel saying, here, do this. That's not affiliate marketing, and you're wasting your time. Because like I said, if they're giving you a funnel saying, here, put this in, you're not learning anything. You're not learning anything. You're hoping to get a commission. You may and you may not. I hope you do. But if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way and make some good money, hey, just check out the link in the description. We can get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you next week for some more helpful hints on affiliate marketing.